Hello, this is Eric at the Prince Road Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2011 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, giving you plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with a bug deflector up on the hood, a light bar installed in the front bumper, some aftermarket Mayhem rims with some bigger tires, and a bit of a lift in the truck, from what I can tell, and some tow mirror covers, and this is a unique piece for your F-150 decal, as well as running boards, vent shades, and fender flares, of course. So you've got some really nice accessories on this truck, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, where you have very spacious seating for three that does fold up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. And in the middle, you do have two cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet, so your back passengers are not without. And now looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat, and the switch for your light bar is right here. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 85,029 kilometers. Really not too bad considering the year of the truck. But moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls for your center screen here, where you can cycle through things such as your trip A and B, so distance driven, time taken, gas used, and then transmission temperature and a blank screen, fuel economy, so fuel economy and fuel history, truck apps, so your off-road and trailer status, and settings for some features around your truck, and information such as warning messages. And moving on to your center here, your infotainment screen, which is a nice aftermarket Pioneer deck, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth, I believe, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then you do also have auxiliary, which I believe would still work. And shifting into reverse, it is actually also your backup camera screen, as well as being up here, because the truck does actually come with one stock, so wherever you want to look you can, so it's pretty neat, I guess. Setting the home button, see if there's any other options. I believe there's also a USB option, so that's always neat. And Spotify, actually. Okay, so you can have apps on that. So really not a bad thing to have installed in this truck. Moving down though, you have your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls and trailer brake. To the right of that, you have a 12-volt power outlet and a cubby beneath. And then down here, you have your 12-volt power outlet with a cigarette lighter, which you won't necessarily use, and an auxiliary and USB here, as well as a cubby underneath, so you can stick your phone there while it's charging. And then the truck does also have another hardwired USB cable that you can make use of. But then finally in the center, you have two cup holders, a cubby, and your center compartment here, which has your remote for your audio screen. But then this does fold up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overhaul. So plenty of seating in this truck and plenty of storage options, which, speaking of which, underneath this seat you do also have another storage compartment, pretty sizable. And your two cup holders, which slide out like so, so you can either have cup holders when this seat is up, or just have a bunch of cup holders. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.